In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize a PowerPoint slide. Whether you're looking to print your presentation or adjust your slide for a specific screen size, knowing how to resize your slides can be incredibly useful. So let's dive right into the process and walk through it step by step to make sure you get it just right. First things first, you'll want to open your PowerPoint application. Once you've got it open, direct your attention to the top menu and click on the Design tab. This tab is where you can find a variety of customization options for your slides, including the sizing settings we're going to modify. With the Design tab open, look towards the right side of the toolbar. There you'll see an option called Slide Size. Clicking on this will unveil a drop-down menu which holds the key to adjusting your slide dimensions. From this menu, select Custom Slide Size. This is where you'll be able to input your specific dimensions for the slides. Now let's talk about customizing the width of your slide. You'll find a field that allows you to input a numerical value for the width. For example, if you want to change it to 8.5 inches, simply type in 8.5. This is just one example. You'll want to enter the dimension that suits your specific needs or requirements, whether it's for printing or fitting to a particular display. After setting your desired width, move on to adjusting the height. There's another field for you to customize this dimension. Let's say you want the height to be 10 inches. Just type in 10 or whichever measurement aligns with your presentation goals. Once you have both your width and height set up to your liking, take a moment to review your settings to ensure they meet your expectations. Once you're satisfied with your customized width and height, you'll need to decide how you want PowerPoint to handle content resizing. You'll be given two options: Maximize or Ensure Fit. Choosing Maximize will increase the size of your content to fill the slide, which might cause some cropping if the content doesn't fit perfectly. On the other hand, Ensure Fit will scale down the content to make sure everything fits nicely within the new slide dimensions, though this might leave some extra space around your content. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily resize your PowerPoint slides to fit any specific dimension you need. This skill can come in handy whether you're preparing a presentation for a meeting or adapting it for different devices. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tricks with PowerPoint.